Looking for the best portable blenders of 2024? Whether you're blending smoothies on the go or prepping sauces at home, we've got the top 5 blenders that combine power, convenience, and durability for your busy lifestyle. And don't worry, all the links to these amazing portable blenders are in the description below, so you can check them out yourself. Let's kick things off with the NutriBullet 11-piece set. This compact and powerful blender is equipped with a 250W motor and comes with multiple cups and lids for ultimate convenience. Whether you're chopping, mixing, or blending, the NutriBullet gets it done. Its small size is perfect for kitchens with limited space, and it's incredibly easy to clean. Plus, it's dishwasher safe. The NutriBullet is your go-to for quick and easy meals. Next up, we have the Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender Plus. This powerhouse packs a 900 peak watt motor, strong enough to crush ice and blend even the toughest fruits and veggies. With 320 Oz to go cups, you can take your smoothies or shakes anywhere. Whether you're at the gym or in the car, the Ninja delivers perfect drinks every time. It's also great for frozen drinks and, bonus, it's dishwasher safe. Now for speed lovers, check out the NutriBullet Special Edition Pro 900. It's powerful, with a 900W motor that blends smoothies in under 60 seconds. The NutriBullet comes with a 32 Oz, colossal cup, making it perfect for large servings. Fast, efficient, and easy to use. This is your ultimate fitness blender. The Ganiza Smoothie Blender is all about versatility and safety. With a 900W motor and a 6-blade system, this 15-piece set can handle everything, from smoothies to coffee beans. It's not just powerful, but super safe with its non-slip silicone pads and cooling fan for heat dissipation. Plus, it has a self-cleaning function. Time saver? Yes, please. Last but definitely not least, the KOIOS 900W Smoothie Blender. If you're always on the move, this is your go-to. With 222 Oz, portable bottles, you can make your smoothie and take it with you anywhere. It's powerful, portable, and super easy to clean. The KOIOS ensures a perfect blend every time with its pulse technology and stainless steel 6-leaf blade. So there you have it, the top 5 portable blenders of 2024. Whether you're after the versatility of the NutriBullet, the power of the Ninja, or the on-the-go convenience of the KOIOS, there's a blender for everyone. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, all the links to these awesome products are in the description, so you can explore and find the perfect one for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more awesome product reviews. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.